Hello students. Last class we have did Excel practice, that is 5A. Now we have to start Excel practice 5B, that is based on the product of the algebraic expression. Means we have to multiply two algebraic expression. What in first question is given, find the product of following pair of monomials. Means here monomial are given. Monomial means one term, means which has algebraic expression which has only one term, that is called monomial. Either that is constant or variable, whatever. Here just you see here, first one is constant, second one is algebraic expression, that is monomial, both are monomial. Then we have to multiply here, okay. So means 3 into 7x, just you put here multiplication sign, and then you have to multiply number to number, means integer to whatever number are given, just you multiply that both the number, and variable will come same as it is, okay. Means 7 3 21 will come, so final answer is 21x, okay. There will no change in the x will be same as it is whatever is given in the previously. Next one, here both are has same sign, both are has opposite sign, means -3 and here 4 plus 4, and here variable is both are z, here also z and here also z. We have to multiply -3z into 4z will come, okay. Now if you multiply here number to number, it will come, okay, -3 into 4, write on like, but in variable should be also something will be changed because both has same variable also is there, and here power, it means here power 1 and here also power 1. In power and exponent already I have explained, if base is same then power should be added in multiplication, okay. So just you see here both are has multiply in between and power is 1 1, so we will add both the power, it will come 1 plus 1 2, and here number will multiply with number, so it will come -12 upon z power 2. So final product is -12 upon z square, okay. Next one, again we have to follow here same, whatever is given, -6a multiply -7abc, okay. Here just you see, in first monomial a is given variable and second monomial abc, here three variable are there. So first of all we have to arrange -6 to -7, multiply -6 into -7, and then arrange a to a, means a into a, and then we have to put bc because only bc is one pair only and a is 2 times. So 6 7 are 42 and minus minus plus, so 42 upon a power 1 and here also a power 1, so it will come a power 2, means a square, and then bc, a square bc. Final answer is 42 a square bc. Next one, fourth part, 13 p power 6 and here -7 p power nothing is written, means 1. So just you put here 13 p power 6, 13 p power 6 into -7p, say multiply number to number, means 7 into -7 into 13 means 13 into -7, just write on here, and then write on p power 6 into p power nothing written, means 1. So 13 7 it will come 91, means -91 upon p power 6 plus 1 7 will come, means final answer is -91 upon p power 7, means product is -91 upon p power 7. This type of we have, means whatever variable are given, if variable are same then you have to add the power, otherwise no, because here just you see a and a both are same, means we have to add both the power because here base is same, but bc is same different variable, so base is different, so we will not add, we will write on as it is. Next one, 29x cube, 29x power 3 multiply -2x power 2, x square is given. Now we have to multiply number to number, means 29 into -2 and then variable to variable, 29 into -2 and x power 3 and into x power 2 is given. Now we have to multiply both, 29 2 58, so -58 and x power 5 will come. 3 plus 2, 5. So final product is minus 58 upon, minus 58 into x power 5. So as it is same, whatever variable are given here, variable is same and power is different and multiply is given. So we have to add both the power because same base. If same base, then we have to add the power in multiplication. Okay. As it is same, you have to follow in the exercise whatever in the question first is given. Same in the exercise self practice 5b. Okay.